we saw in our last class, that is, we learned about exponents and powers. Okay, so now let us see based on that the another topic, decimal number system. Okay, so before going that, let us recall the last class. Okay, so what we saw in our last class, that is base numbers and exponent number or power numbers. Okay, in a number. Okay, so based on that we have a exponents of a numbers. Okay, we have to write in the short form of the large numbers. Okay, so then we know how to write, how to simplify the numbers which is given to applying a law of exponents. How many laws of exponents are there? We saw in the last class, that is 6 laws of exponents are there. Okay, so I hope you all understood and you hope you practiced it, and I hope you all understood and practiced. Okay, so that is, then we move on to the another topic, decimal numbers. Okay, so decimal number system. So in a decimal number system, how to expand the numbers we know. Okay, so the expanding of numbers you learned from your earlier classes, isn't right? So that is, the number is given to us, we have to expand that number in the basis of the tens and units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So based on the place value of the numbers. Okay, so that we have to write in the form of exponential form. Okay, so let us see how to write. Okay, in the expanding form of the given numbers. Okay, so let us take an example, 47,561. It is given in your textbook. Okay, so 47,561. We have to expand this by using a exponential form. Okay, by using a exponential form. How to expand? You know this, to expand. Okay, see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. By the place value we have to expand this given number. Okay, so 4 into, so what is the place value of 4 in this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay, so 10,000 plus 7. The next number, the given number is 7. So 7 into, what is the place value of 7? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 7 into 1000 plus next number is 5. So 5 into, which is the place, what is the place value of number 5? 100 plus 6. 6 into, what is the place value of 6? 10. Okay, plus 1 into 1 in its place. Okay, so now we have to, this expansion we have to write in the exponential form. So what is the form that? 4 into 10,000, we have to write 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, no? So 4 zeros in that. So we have to write 10 to the power of 4. So we have to multiply this. See, this power can be expressed as how many times we have to multiply the base number. So we have to multiply 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 4 times we have to multiply the 10. Is it right now? 10 to the power of 4. We have to multiply 10 into 4 times. So 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, 1000 tens are 10,000. We get now. So 4 is in the place of 10,000. Okay, is it correct now? So now we have to write 10 to the power of 4. Okay, plus 7 into, so 1000, 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3. 10 to the power of 3. Okay, plus 5 into 100, we have to write 10 to the power of 2. Plus 6 into 10 to the power of 1 and plus 1 into 10 to the power of 0 here. Okay, so 10 to the power of 0 here, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, so this is the expansion of the given number based on the exponential form. Okay, children, so based on this you have so many problems in your exercise. Okay, you have to write in your homework book. Okay, so now let us expand another number. Okay, see here, 1,04,278. Okay, 278. So it is also given in your textbook. So here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakhs. Okay, so we have to expand as it is directly by the exponential form, not in this form, not in the place value form. Okay, so we have to try to expand based on the exponential form directly by the given number. Okay, let us start. See, 1 into 10 to the power of how many zeros? After that, the number we are taken. Is it right? How many numbers are there? That much zeros. Okay, that much exponent we have to write. Okay, count the number which we are taken here. Okay, leave it there. So then, after leaving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write 1 into 10 to the power of 5. Okay, plus 0 into 10 to the power of the next number is 0 now. So 0 into 10 to the power of, we are leaving 0. Okay, after that we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power of 4. Okay, plus the next number is 4. So 4 into 10 to the power of how much? So from this only you know that is it is a descending order, but also we have to count here. Okay, see, I'm leaving 4, then 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power of 3 plus the next number is 2. Okay, so 2 into 10 to the power of 2 is in the place of hundreds place. So the next we have 2 digits. So 10 to the power of 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power of 7 into 10 to the power of 1. Okay, then plus 8 into 10 to the power of 0. So 10 to the power of 0 we have 1. So 8 into 1, 8. We have right as it is 8. Okay, so anything power 0, 1. Okay, we have to write 8 as it is. So therefore the exponential form of the given number, okay, is this. Okay, we have to write easily. It is a very easy method. Okay, so this is the expanding form of by using the exponential for the given number. Okay, understood children how to expand in the exponential form of the given number. Okay, then we have expressing large number in the standard form. So very large numbers we have to write down in the standard forms. Standard form means in the exponential form. Okay, so we have to find out how to write. So let us take from the small numbers to the biggest numbers. Okay, so we have 1600. For example, 1600. We have to write that in the short form. So how to write 1600? So this we have to write. Okay, so that is 1, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we have 4 place values. So 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Okay, so we have to write the number only. Okay, don't write in the zeros. Okay, so we have to write that zeros in the exponential form. So 16, we have to write 16 into 1, 2. We have to multiply this to 1. It follows by the 2 zeros. Okay, so 16 into 100, we get 600. Sorry, 1600. Okay, 16 into 100, we get 1600. That is 1600. Are you understood, children? So here 16 into 100, 1600. Now we have to write this 100 as 16 into 10 to the power of 1, 2. 10 to the power of 2. So 10 square we have to multiply 10 as 2 times. Is it right? 10 into 10 we have 10 tens are 100. Is it right? So now 100 we have to write in the exponential form, that is 10 square. Okay, and one more thing, we have to write in the decimal form. 16 we have to write 1.6 into 10. See, 1.6 into 10. See, 1.6 into 10 we are multiplying with 0 and zeros plus 6, 1. See, 0, 1. So 1 digit we have a decimal point. So this 0 can cancel. Now we have this answer 16. Is it right? So we have to write this as 1.6 into 10. Okay, this is a short form of 16. 1.6 into 10. Into this 10 square is there, no? 10 square. Okay, so now see, this is 10 power 1 is understood. Okay, so a power m into a power n. Base is same, the powers are different. A power m into a power n. So 1.6 into 10 to the power of a power m into a power n. We have a power m plus n based on the law of exponent. So 1 plus 2, 3. So this is the short form of this given number 1600. So the 1.6 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay. So as I said, we have it is given in your textbook. One more problem. Let us solve. Okay. So how to find out? See, in your textbook it is given the largest values. Okay. That is the sun is located so far from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. So it is so large value. Okay. So large thing, it is very large. Okay. So that is, it is so far from the Milky Way. Okay. And the numbers of stars in our galaxy. So we can't count, but they are given an approximate value in your textbook. So we have to write that in a short form. Okay, we have to write that in a short form. Let us try. Let's try. 1. Okay. See here, we have to write this in a short form. So how to write? How many zeros are there? Okay. So let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 zeros are there. Okay. So we have to write 1 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Okay. So we have to write like this. So how many zeros are there? We have to write in an exponential form. So this is 1 into 10 to the power of 11 meter is the short form of this given number. That is how many stars in the galaxy. Okay, we can't count, but it is an approximate value. Okay, so based on this, you have a mass of Earth also, it is there. Okay, so that also we have to write in the form of short form of exponential form. Okay, and these numbers are not convenient to write and read. So for this, it is a very big. Okay, that is sun is so far from the Milky Way. So that also so big. We can't read as it is. Okay, it's very inconvenient way. So for this, we have to write in the short form, that is exponential form. How to write? Okay, and then to make it convenient, we use powers or exponent. Okay, exponents. I explain you 1600. We have to write that in a 1.6 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, as the same, we have to write 5900. Okay, 5900. We have to write this as 5.9 into 10 to the power of 3.9 here. 1, 2, 3 digits now, so 10 to the power of 3. 5.9 into 10 to the power of 3 we have to write. Okay, children. Okay, so then we have a example problems. It is given in your textbook, page number 110. So these are the two concepts comes under the decimal number system. In decimal number system, you have to expand the given number based on the place values, and that place values we have to write it in the exponential form. Okay, and then we have to write the standard form of the very large numbers. Okay, we have to write the standard form of the very large numbers. So that large numbers we have to write in this form, in the exponential form. This is a standard form. Okay, children. So we have expressed all these numbers in standard form based on this exponential form or powers system. Okay. So then example 13 is given. That is, express the following numbers in the standard form. So the given numbers are given. The numbers are given in this example. We have to write the exponential form. So I am taking fourth example in that. Example 13, in that fourth one I will take. Okay. So other than that, you have to write yourself in your rough notebook. Okay. So fourth one, 70,000. Sorry, 70 040 000 then 000. Okay. So here we have to take 0. Okay, 0 and numbers. Okay, don't leave the numbers. Okay, we have to include the numbers in this. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros are there. Till after the number we have to left 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 10 to the power of 7. We have to write like this. But here also we have to read for purposely 7004. Okay, so or otherwise we have to write this 7004 as 7.004 into 10 to the power of 3. 1, 2, 3 decimals now we are taking. So 7.004 into 10 to the power of 3. We are multiplying 10 to the power of 3. The 10 to the power of 3 means 10,000 now. 10 to the power of 3 means we have to write 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 into 10 we have 1000. Okay. See, 10 into 10 100 and 100 into 10 1000. Okay. So 1000 into 7.004 we get 7004. Okay, so here we have to write 7004 for short form of 7004 as 7.004 into 10 to the power of 3. Okay, and we have 10 to the power of 7 also we have separate. So for that we have to write 10 to the power of 7. So 7.004 into this we have to write a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n. So we have to write this 10 to the power of a power m plus n. So 3 plus 7, 10. So now we have the short form. The standard form of the given number is 7.004 into 10 to the power of 10. See, once again we have to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 point we are taken. So 10 numbers are paid again. Okay, children, understood? So this is 7.004 into 10 to the power of 10. Okay. So now let us see some exercise problems. Okay. Exercise 13.3 is there based on this problem. Okay. So based on this, you have a exercise 13.3. So write the following numbers in expanded form. Write the following numbers in expanded form. So you have to write directly in the exponential form. Okay. In expanded form, we have to use exponential form. Okay. The first one, so 27,9404. Okay, so that is 2,79,404. See, 2,79,404. So how do we expand this? By using the exponential form, by directly. So 2 into 10 to the power of how many numbers are there after 2? How many numbers are there after 2? How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power of 5 plus the next number is 7. So after 7, how many digits are there? How many digits are there after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 to the power of 4. Okay. Plus 9 into how many digits are there after 9? 3. So 10 to the power of 3. Plus then after that 4 into how many digits are there after 4? 2. So 10 to the power of 2. Plus 0 into 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 0. So this 10 to the power of 0 as 1. Okay, 10 to the power of 0 as 1. So we have to multiply 4 into 1. We have to write as this 4 also it is correct. Okay, so we are writing 10 to the power of 0 also correct. Or we are writing as it is 4 also correct. Okay, so based on this you have another more 4 sums. Okay, 4 numbers are there. You have to write in your rough notebook. Okay, so find the number from each of the following expanded form. So the expanded form are given. Okay, like this expanded form are given. We have to find out the number. Is it easy? No. So 8 into 10 to the power of 4. See, one problem I will do. 8 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 0. Okay. So this first you have to check the exponents are continuous decreasing order or not. Okay. See 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the numbers are continuously it is there. So 8, 6, 0, 4, 5. Okay. So this is the number we have to get from this given expanded form. Okay. And one more expanded form I will do here. Check, see children, see 9 into 10 to the power of 5 plus 2 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power of 1. Okay, now let us check the exponents in the decreasing order. See, 5, there is no 4, there is no 3. So now we have 2 and 1, there is no 0. Okay, so now we have to add, there is no exponents, no. For that exponents we have to add 0 here. Okay, so 9 is in the 5th place. Okay, and then 4 is not there, 0, and 3 is not there, 0, 2. Okay, and 1 is 3, 10 to the power of 1 is 3, and another 10 to the power of 0 is not there, so 0. So, which are the numbers, which are the exponents? Here it is left out, we have to add zeros in the places. Okay, children, understood? So, like this, we have to write the numbers of the given expanding form. Okay, so then we have express the following numbers in standard form. I explained already now. Is it right? So you have to write the expanding form, that is standard form of this given numbers. So let us solve one. So let us solve one. Okay. So find. So this is the number given. Okay. So 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and millions. Okay. So now we have 5.5 into. Okay. So what are the numbers we have to write in the standard form here? Okay. So 5 into. How many digits are there after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits are there. So for that we have to write 10 to the power of 7. So this is the standard form of this number. If we have any number inside there, okay, in between the zeros, okay, so let us take like that number. Okay, see here 3, 18, 6, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So like this we have this much numbers. So here also we have to take one in natural number, another all in decimal numbers. Okay, we have to take after the decimal one. So totally we have to write full numbers here. Okay, first step we have to write the numbers 31865. Okay, so 31,865 into how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 zeros. 10 to the power of 5. Okay, then we have to write here 31865. So 3.1865 into how many digits we have to write in the decimal numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of 5. So we have to write 31865 into 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of 5. A power m into a power n, we have a power m plus n. So 10 to the power of 4 plus 5, 9. So this is the standard form of the given number. Okay. So then you have expressed the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. Here they are given the numbers. So you have to write yourself in your classwork. Okay. I'll send the notes here on WhatsApp. Cross check your answers and then write neatly in your classwork.